Now Central Oregon's local alert weather with Jordan Williams.
Good evening, Central Oregon. What do we have in store for this week? Well, pretty much what we've been seeing. Clear skies, a little bit of cloud coverage, and some warm temperatures. Above average temperatures, about 10 degrees to 15 degrees above average. And on our satellite and radar, nothing really to see here. Just a little bit of cloud coverage, but obviously, sometime in winter, usually what we will see are a lot of colors on this map. So green for rain, blue for snow, but we're not seeing anything today and probably not going to be seeing anything for the rest of the week. Here's a look at our current wind speeds. This is what we can expect too for the rest of the week. Really going to have some sunny skies, a little bit of cloud coverage, and fairly calm winds, 5 to 10 mile an hour gusts, 13 there in Prineville. Some southerly breezes coming up. And then here's our future track. I just showed you the satellite and radar, not really much to see. As our future track moves along, we see some clouds come into the region on Monday. Tuesday looks to be mostly clear, but no rain, nothing really to talk about there. Just continuing to see these warmer temperatures stay with us. And actually today we set a record, or we tied a record, I should say. 66 degrees up in Redmond, tied a record set back in 1987. And here's a look at that record number. 66 for Redmond, 64 for Bend. To look at some of the other numbers, 70 in Coos Bay, the only city here on our map in the 70s. 65 for Medford. Baker City, fairly cold, 30, probably below average there, but Portland and Eugene, a little bit colder there in the upper and lower 50s. Closer look at our current conditions right now. Sisters, 39 degrees, our only city not in the 40s or in the 50s. Warm Springs is our high number at the moment at 56 degrees, 54 for Prineville, and then Madras, Sun River, and La Pine in those low to mid 40s at 41, 42, and 46. Our forecast lows later tonight. Now, these temperatures are a little bit closer to what we usually expect around this time of the year. This is the numbers we can expect. So about 28, between 25 and 30 degrees is usually the average around this time of year. So we did set or tie that record for our high. So those temperatures are a little bit warmer, but when we get to the night, these temperatures get a little bit closer to what we usually see around this time of the year. So mostly freezing conditions for us. Redmond, Prineville, Sun River, and La Pine below freezing. And then Bend, Sisters, Madras, and Warm Springs just a tick above that number at 33, 34, and 35. Our forecast highs tomorrow going to cool off a little bit, about a 7-degree drop for Redmond from 66 to 59. For Bend, it was 64 to 58, staying in the upper 50s for most of us, though. And then here's a look at that 7-day forecast. The next few days, 59, 60, 62, and then Thursday is our high number for the week at 65. So some really March and April temperatures we're seeing in February right now, some early spring temperatures.